You know, I keep saying I don't want to live like this anymore. I don't want to live like this anymore. I don't want to live like this anymore. And guess what? I'm still living like this. I can't take it. My bathroom exploded. I just repaired the toilet. You probably saw this video already. But in order to do that, I had to move everything away from the toilet and on this side of the bathroom, including the old vanity. And now the bathroom looks like an absolute disaster. So I'm gonna spend some time finally getting this bathroom back to zero. It was beautiful last week. It's just like, whatever. Let's get started. So as I just mentioned, I just repaired the toilet, right? And then this is what happened. I had to move the vanity over here and all of the stuff got moved. I had my box here of the supply stuff on the floor. I had to move all of the cleaning supplies over there, and then this just exploded. It's a big mess, guys. It's a big mess. So guess what? We're gonna do the bathroom today. And we're going to bring it back to its former beautiful self. So I'm going to give it a good scrub. I need to get this vanity out. Okay, the vanity I built, you probably saw the videos. You guys were like all impressed. But you know what? It's empty. Because I got everything on this side. I know you can't tell. It's masked by the garbage I got all over. But this is empty, guys. So I don't need it anymore. And the problem is that, like I mentioned before, I built it in the bathroom. So it doesn't really fit the door. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to see if I remove the door, right, if I'm going to be able to get it to fit, because that would be a lifesaver, because I really don't feel like bringing the saw and cutting this thing in half. Yeah, I really don't feel like doing it. So let me see if I can move this thing first, and then once this is out of the way, then I can finally see an empty space and start sorting through all of this stuff here and see what I'm keeping and how I'm going to reorganize it. Alright, well, I still didn't make any progress in this area. However, this is what it looks like without the vanity, and it's a huge space. I feel like I'm just moving in. You know when you just moved into a new house and you got nothing but empty spaces? That's pretty much what it feels like for me. So I cleaned up a little bit, you know, I mean, obviously I gotta like go and scrub that corner over there. But look, I want to show you something because, you know, I'm an idiot, right? Remember when I nicely grouted the floor? Okay, so this is the area that was underneath the vanity, right? It stayed nice and white, right? But this is what it looks like when you don't put the sealer on the grout. It's just the grout goes away, and so now I got nothing but holes. Alright, so Scott and I are gonna have to think about what we're gonna do with this floor. You know, it looks nice when it's got nice white grout, so maybe I'll try to save the floor and re-grout it, not today, and re-grout the floor. I never finished this side here and behind me. I never did that because I never finished anything. But anyway, yeah, I mean, look, you can see like this area here is nice and white, and then this is like all nasty because that was grouted, but I didn't even seal it. So maybe I want to re-grout it and seal it this time around, and we'll see what it looks like. If it's still not good enough for me, then the tiles have to go and I'll do a real floor. Okay, so this is all done. Toilet's not leaking. Toilet is all nice and clean. I cleaned the back of it. It's, you know, I'm gonna re-scrub. I'm just doing like a quick pickup. But now I gotta tackle this mess here. So I'm probably gonna just put the camera on the tripod and go through this mess, because you know, I'm telling you, last week it looked really nice. I think I posted pictures actually. But yeah, you know, life. Well, my life, my bad habits. Let's go.
Oh, I'm slipping away. So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away.
done. Here's a quick tour. We have the cat litter here, which you can tell she's not using. It's been like that for 2 weeks. She goes outside, so I may get rid of the litter altogether. That's what we had as a setup when we had Vesper. She was not going in the cat litter, she was going outside. So we're keeping the towels here. I'm probably going to remove most of the shelves. I keep on talking about it, but you know what? If I remove them, I have to patch. If I remove them, I have to patch the holes. I have to repaint. I ain't feeling this. Okay, so we're gonna leave it like that for now. I have sconce basket here, and then my brushes, I moved them to here. Actually, I tried to put them in here, but they don't fit. They're too tall. So eventually, what I'm gonna do is probably quilt some kind of pouch for all of my brushes. They also need to be washed, which I'm going to do later on, probably this week. Okay, and then when you look on this side, this is what it looks like. So I just have the vanity with a regular rug on it. We keep our toothbrush and toothpaste here. Here I have all my makeup, which, if you know me, I've really pared down. This is it. All the makeup is in here. Over here, only keep the current products that I'm using. This is random stuff I'm using every day, like my vitamins and body oil and my face wash and my little cap thing for when I take a shower. This is all hair related thing. I probably can get rid of a few brushes, but not ready for that. The bottom, there's nothing new. It's just the usual, you know, stuff. I did put all of the nail polish in one container, so that's good. So all of this is clean, and now this is what this side of the bathroom looks like. So it's all emptied out. Put the rug back on, wash the floor. I'm keeping the stool because Scott uses it for working out and various things. I'm thinking about putting a plant, like a big plant, like a palm tree type plant over here. That could be cute, but you know what? One more thing to maintain. Toilet paper, I moved it from the shelves. I put it into this little basket here, which is actually what it's meant for. And then the toilet, which has been fixed. And that's about it. There's one patch here that needs to be repainted because the vanity scratched on it. And that's that. So I'm going to give you a tour from this side. Yeah, don't mind this thing. That's how we connect the air conditioning in the summer. So yeah, that's the bathroom. Listen, hey, it's not updated. I'm aware. The vanity needs to go. The floor needs to be done. The bathtub / shower here, that's probably got to go too, and just have a full glass shower. But we just bought a car and 2 washer and dryer this year, so yeah, big expenses not happening until next year. We're gonna have to wait. We got to replenish the bank account. So if you have suggestions as to how I can make this look a little bit better, hold on, I didn't close it properly. So if you have suggestions as to how I can make this look a little bit better, you let me know. But know that the vanity is staying for now. We're not changing that. Maybe we'll change it at a later time. I don't know. It's really not a priority for us. And then that's about it. So it was a lot of work. Spent about 2 hours. But it's done, and I have to get used to this space here. And now all you see is the toilet. See, before the vanity was kind of hiding the toilet, but now, you know, well, it's a bathroom. What do you expect? So, I'm looking a wreck, and I'm really hot because I have to turn off the air conditioning when I'm filming in here, otherwise you won't hear me. And I'm done for today, so I'm probably gonna do one more video today. I want to do a zucchini lemon bread because I have a lot of extra zucchinis from the garden, and it rained every day for the past 2 weeks, guys, almost every day. So the vegetation in the garden is like, it's a jungle in there, and you really gotta like push things around to get to a tomato. I have a lot of tomatoes that were green, so I'm not gonna do an update yet. And when I start having a lot of red tomatoes, we got eggplants, you know, all of that. I'll do an update when it's worthy, because right now it's just green basically because we had so much rain. But I do have extra zucchinis, and before they go bad, I'm gonna do a zucchini lemon bread. Maybe you'll like that. It's nice and fresh in the summer, and actually I like it when it's really cold and hard, so I'm weird like that. Anyway, thumbs up if you like the bathroom the way it is now, and the fact that I removed the vanity. It's progress on my part. Big thumbs up if you like the fact that I finally got all my makeup into one container, and that's it. So if I bring something new in there, I can't fit it, so I'll have to get rid of something, but I don't feel like buying anything right now. Maybe another foundation when this one goes, and that's about it. So whew, I'm tired. I'll see you later. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner, and I will see you later. Thank you for watching, you guys. Bye.